everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a few Tropic skincare hacks, so ways in which you can make one product work for different reasons, some little tips and tricks that I use for various different things. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the video, but if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button because I bring a new video every Sunday and I'd love to see you here for more. So let's get straight into hack number one. So hack number one is using the deep hydration soothing cooling mask. So this is a face mask and it's amazing. You keep it in the fridge and apply it all over your face, and it's really good for dry skin, and it smells like berries and I absolutely love it. But not only can you use this for your face, you can use it anywhere that you have dry skin basically. So a really good tip is to use it on your hands. So maybe not necessarily in the summer, but when it comes to winter and we get dry hands, or if you have a manual job, for example, and you tend to get really dry hands, then just put some of it on your hands and you can leave it on like you would your face. So I will do it here now. Leave it on your leave it on your hands for about 20 minutes, again like you would your face mask, and after 20 minutes you will have super lovely, nourished, hydrated hands. And if you get cracks on your hands or anything like that, like my boyfriend has a manual job, he's an aircraft technician, and he gets cuts on his hands and really dry skin, so this is great for people like that, or if you're a gardener or love gardening, anything like that. So leave that on for 20 minutes, sit back, relax and let it work its magic and wash it off. Another use for the deep hydration soothing cooling mask is a hair mask. So again, like your hands, you'd put this all through your hair, tie it up in a bun, you can sleep in it or just leave it whilst you're doing housework or something in the morning or evening, and then just wash it out, and again it leaves your hair super soft and nourished and hydrated. So that is 3 different things in one. So you don't need to go and buy a face mask, a hand cream, a hair mask. You've got 3 different uses in just one little pot, so money saver as well. Next up is one of my favourite products, and it is the Eye Dream. So this is an age-defying overnight butter balm that you put under your eyes here. I just get my finger, obviously I won't put it on now because I've got a face of makeup on, but smooth it around your eyes. I tend to put it over on my lid here as well, in between my eyebrows where you get the frown lines. And this is also a really beautiful lip balm. You may have seen in a previous video that I put this on in the evening, and I also put it on my lips, but you don't have to leave it just for the evening. This, because it's so buttery and moisturising and hydrating, that it's brilliant for your lips all during the day. It stays on for such a long time too, so pop it in your handbag and apply it as a lip balm. And again, you don't have to buy a lip balm and an eye cream, you get it in one little pot. So hack number 3 is washing your beauty blenders. So the little bags that you get with your hair care discovery kit, your little mini body washes, they're the 2 that I can think of off the top of my head that you would get these little bags. Well, they're brilliant for just little toiletry bags, and or maybe if you wanted to give a little gift to somebody, popping it in these. But I love to pop my beauty blenders in there, pull the drawstring and throw them in the washing machine, and you don't lose them. Like, I don't know about you, but I end up losing socks all the time. They vanish in the washing machine and goodness knows where they go. Next up is the Vitamin Toner Pore Refining Mist. So this has so many uses. So obviously it's used as a toner for your face. So you cleanse your face, you spritz some of this toner onto your face, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got aloe vera juice in it, vitamin C, smells like cucumbers, and it's really beautiful. On a hot day, and it's pretty muggy at the moment to be honest, pop this in the fridge, leave it in there for a little while so it's nice and cool, or just store it in the fridge, and then it makes it even colder and even more refreshing to spray on your face to keep you cool and feeling refreshed. Another great tip for this is to spray it through your hair if you've got really knotty hair. I know that if I go out for a run, and especially if it's really windy, or if you go for a walk along a beach, or just a walk in general and it's blowing a gale and your hair gets super knotty, just spray this through your hair, take your brush or comb and comb it through, and it's a really good detangling product as well. Another way in which I love to use this, and you may have seen this in a video that I've done about my makeup, I love to take my beauty blender, I spray a couple of spritzes on that, and I apply my concealer with it. So I'll apply my concealer to my face, but then I dampen my beauty blender. You can do this with water, you don't have to use the toner, but I love it using the toner because it just smells beautiful and I just love it. And it's another really good tip for it. And then you just dab this onto your concealer and apply it so it's slightly dampened, because sometimes when you put it under the tap, I don't know about you, but sometimes when I put the tap on I just end up drenching it and it's too wet. But you get a really nice you know, light application and it's just damp, and it's really good for applying your concealer. So that is my last little tip for the Pore Refining Mist. Again, there's about 3 uses in one product. So my 5th and final hack for this video is probably my favourite one of all, because if you take our vitamin toner, our Skin Feast, our smoothing cleanser, it's quite difficult to tell when you're about to run out. With the toner you can kind of wiggle it and you can see the product moving, but in your cleanser and your Skin Feast it's really difficult to tell. So you might go to your cleanser one morning, go to apply it and you can't get any out. I don't know if you've found that, but I definitely have. But a great way to prevent you running out before you've ordered your next one is this little trick that I'm going to show you now. So for this little hack I'm going to show you using my smoothing cleanser, because I have a feeling I'm running out of this. The bottle feels quite light. But how I would do this is I would take my iPhone or any smartphone, or any phone with a torch basically, and I'm just going to apply my torch on it. So swipe up, there's my torch, and then you get the light. I'm just going to lay that down as so, and then place my bottle on top. As you can see there, all of this yellow space here is where it's empty, and that is how much product I have left. So you can do this with your toner, your Skin Feast as well, and as you can see, I'm probably due ordering my top up just to make sure that I don't run out before I've got my new one. So really simple, place it on top of your little torch and it will shine the light and you can see how much you've got left. They are my 5 Tropic hacks, tricks and tips, money savers, whatever you want to call them, for this video, and things that I like to do, and I hope that it's been helpful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because I have loads more little tricks and tips like this that I can share with you involving the Tropic products. So give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below which was your favourite, if you use any of them already, or if you have some of your own. I'd love to hear them, because I may not heard of them, and yeah, it's nice to share our little tricks and tips because there's some gems out there that I probably still haven't heard of. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.